2 times we've talked, Jedediah, and it hasn't been official. I would propose that we do something official with moderated times on a neutral platform. For example, these gentlemen, I'll be down with that. And a great topic would be, can we prove the New Testament was originally all written in Hebrew? I think that would be a great debate topic because it's something we discussed and something you said it's definitive. You said it was definitive. I think that would be a great debate topic. Would you be interested? Can we prove the New Testament documents were all written in Hebrew first?
That's a question.
Yeah.
Do I have the floor? Okay. Could you share my screen real quickly?
Well, no, but wait, because I gotta go. Would you be able to answer that though?
Then you can go.
No. What I'm saying, would you please answer? Will you debate me on is the New Testament written originally in Greek or Hebrew?
I'll debate you on the first topic, which was at hand. You said that we're not Israelites, and we can debate that, and we can mix into that debate whether or not the Hebrews, the scrolls were written in Hebrew or not.
Well, so, sir, in a professional debate, it's one topic. If you want to do another debate another time, we should do a
professional. You professionally told me that I wasn't a translator, and you were absolutely incorrect on that. And you made.
Oh well, I bought your apocrypha. I have it, and I can show.
Everyone around is seeing just your scholarship and your lack of.
Well, I think
you said that I wasn't a translator. Okay. And now you've been proven wrong on that.
I bought your apocrypha, and so now I know you're not really a translator. But listen, will you debate me on if the original is a New Testament originally written in Greek or Hebrew? Will you debate me on that, please? That topic
sounds wonderful.
So you will debate that topic with me.
I will debate, as I said. We'll start with the first topic.
No, we do one topic, not two. Do you understand that no professional debate is two? You're not going to lecture
me about what's professional because you already proved yourself.
I have your apocrypha. I know you're not a translator.
You said that I'm not a translator.
You were not a translator. You don't even know what you translated from.
So you know.
But let's not debate if you're a translator. I want to debate were the original manuscripts
you already been proven
Greek or
wrong.
Hebrew.
See, and you speak with pride.
Will you debate yes or no?
Will you debate yes or no whether we're the children of Israel? I said I'll start with the first because we didn't get to finish that because you left it. Proverbs 28:1. I mean, was it?
Okay, we'll debate that. I'll let you make your case if you want to do it that way, and I'll primarily be focusing on were the New Testament manuscripts originally in Greek.
Yeah, and I'm going to be focusing on whether we're the children of Israel or not. And whether black people should be Christians or not. You know, that's what this discussion was based on.
But see, you said it was definitive that the New Testament was originally written in Hebrew. So why wouldn't you debate me?
I did. I extended the debate to you yesterday. You didn't show up. Neither did any of your Christians.
You didn't extend nothing to me. I didn't get an email from you. I don't follow your channel. What are you talking about? Besides, why would I go back on your channel when you didn't let me share my screen? When you lied and said you would. And the reason why is because I was going to bring up Hebrew that you hadn't seen yet. And you knew that.
You over talking me. I just let you have the floor. I said I'll debate you on the topic. If you said you had to go, you just said you were short on time.
I do, but I want an answer from you first, please.
I gave you an answer. And I told you what we're going to debate on, whether we're the children of Israel or not. That's what we're going to be on.
So
now, if you got to go, then go.
So what day can you do next week?
I'll look at my schedule. And you have my email address. We can communicate and we can publicize when, I got to look at my schedule and see what day works.
Okay. I would do it on these gentlemen's platform. I am not going to come on your platform because you've shown yourself to be dishonorable. But if it's a neutral platform, I'll do it.
You showed yourself inadequate and you can't read Hebrew.
I never claimed I could read Hebrew, but I also know you can't translate Hebrew.
Yeah, that sounds wonderful.
On this channel.
We can do a debate, and I told you what the topic's going to be on that debate.
No. You didn't tell me what the topic's going to be. I'm challenging you. You didn't challenge me. I'm challenging you.
I challenged you already.
On that. And you said we could debate the Greek manuscripts or the Hebrew manuscripts, which one it originally was. You said we could do that.
Opportunity yesterday. You didn't show up. Neither did any of your apologists show up.
Listen, your channel's not the center of the world. I'm a Christian. I go to Wednesday night. I go to Wednesday night Bible study. I was doing Wednesday night Bible study. I don't know who you think you are, but I'm going to Wednesday night Bible study. Just because your channel is on, which I would never come back to, It's not. I'm not afraid. Obviously, I'm challenging you to a debate, sir.
Hey.
Clearly, I'm not
Okay,
afraid.
will you do it?
Clearly,
Yes or
I'm
no?
not.
Will you do it? Yes or no?
Clearly, I'm not afraid either.
Clearly, you are because you won't
You've
stick to the
already been
topic.
exposed. It's going everywhere. Everybody laughing at you now.
Nobody's worried about you and your
I'm not worried
$30
about
Apocrypha and your $150
I'm not worried
Bible.
about you.
Will you
I'm not
debate it?
worried
Yes or
about
no?
you. I already told you what we would debate on. I told you.
Okay, so we can also debate whether the New Testament originally was written in Greek or Hebrew. Correct? That's what you said.
just said you didn't want to do it that way. I said you
I-
said it could be one or the other because a professional debate don't work that way. Now you're
That's
saying
right. But that's right. I know, but I know I'm not dealing with professionals. So you could debate that, and I'll debate the other thing.
Unstable in all of his ways. You're unstable in all of your ways.
Well, you're the one being double-minded. I want a single thing. That's ironic. You use that verse. You're the one who wants two
I
things.
want a
I want
single
one thing. It's called focus.
You left from the first. You left from the first debate.
Left from that was not a debate. That was you. Is it? Wait. How is it a debate when you wouldn't let me share my screen? That's not a debate. There was no. How's a debate when you muted my mic? That's not a debate.
Hey,
Will you
real
debate
quick,
me
real
on
quick,
this
real
neutral
quick,
platform on the
real quick,
topic
real
I said?
real quick,
You said
real quick.
yes. You said next week, right?
Okay, sir. Can I just share my screen 1 second?
Okay.
And
No, I
said
want to know the answer for sure, and I want to know a date and a time.
We can do the debate on what we're going to do it on, which is whether black Israel. That's what.
Okay, you could debate that as part of your presentation, and I'll focus on the Greek or Hebrew part of it.
All right, let me say this. Let me say
Sound
this.
good?
Let me say this. Can y'all hear me? Let me
Yes,
say
sir.
this. I'm open. If y'all want to do that, I'm open for that. You know, if you want to meet on a neutral platform, or if not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my email in the private chat.
Okay.
Yeah, put mine.
All right, and so we can get together and set it up. You brothers can set up a time that's good for both of you, and then get with me, and then I can set up the platform for you. How about that?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good.
I appreciate you guys the way you conducted everything. Thank you very much. I'll have to listen to the rest of this later, but I appreciate everyone's participation. Thank you.
All right, thank you, man. Hey, appreciate you coming through. And
Yeah, we appreciate
forward
it.
to hear from you.
Yes, sir. Thank you guys very much for the way you did it. I have great admiration for that. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, have a good one, bro.